Welcome to the U.S. retirement home for chimpanzees. They've been subjected to scientific experiments for decades. Most are infected with HIV or hepatitis. Their reward is Chimp Haven, the National Chimpanzee Sanctuary.
This is like God's waiting room for chimpanzees.
Well, we certainly think it's the best place for chimpanzees to be.
Science and scientific ethics have moved on. Now the U.S., the only nation still conducting invasive experiments on chimps, plans to stop its work on most, if not all, of its remaining 450 test animals. Sending them back into the wild is not an option. Few have the skills to survive outside captivity, where chimps are now an endangered species. Many come from the New Iberia lab at the University of Louisiana, where the Humane Society of America shot this undercover video.
There's an issue of physical pain, but I think the larger issue is the psychological torment. Animals isolated, kept away from others who can give them companionship, fearing what's going to happen next.
Here, chimps that once lived for years alone in cages live much more as they do in the wild in large social groups, a far cry from their former lives.
Many arrive with behavioral problems, but perhaps more than humans, experts say, they're able to adapt.
Chimpanzees are very forgiving, I think surprisingly forgiving, and they're also very, very adaptable and adjust their behavior. I think that that's one of the greatest things that chimpanzees have to teach us, is how to be adaptable and to be forgiving.
The Haven runs on government and private funds, and with more chimps coming to stay in these partially built and partially funded enclosures soon, the Chimp Haven staff uses tours like this one to raise awareness and dollars.
Their past has always been about us humans. Their past has always been about making sure our needs were taken care of. For the first time in their lives, Chimp Haven is about making their needs the priority.
If enough donors come through with the money to pay for it, what happens next is the world's largest retirement party for chimpanzees. John Hendren, Al Jazeera, Keithville, Louisiana.